Pre-1933 gold. Looking to assemble a complete series, only one option is available. Some collectors like to collect an entire date and mint mark set when they collect coins. There is only one opportunity in pre-1933 gold to accomplish this. This is Coins Rock. Stay tuned as I explain. For the pre-1933 gold collectors, there are limited opportunities to collect an entire series by date and mint mark. Let's look at all the options, starting with the classic head $2.50 and $5 gold pieces. These series both ran just 5 years, yet both series have some extremely rare dates, with a complete set in mint state 60 running into the low 6 figures in either case. The $1 gold piece ran for 40 years, from 1849 to 1889, and there are several very scarce dates pushing a complete set in mint state 60 well into the 6 figures, if the pieces could even be found. The $3 gold piece ran for 36 years and includes enough rarities that an mint state 60 set would also be well into the 6 figures. The $2.50, the $5 and $10 Liberty heads all ran from 1839 or 1840 until 1907 or 1908. All 3 series have several extreme rare dates, and complete sets in mint state 60s could run into the millions of dollars. The $10 Indian has both first year and last year rarities that are each 6-figure coins in mint state 60 if you could even find them. With the $20 gold piece, both the Liberty head and the St. Gaudens have enough rare dates that could push either complete series well over $1 million in mint state 60. That leaves the $2.50 and $5 in-cuse Indian heads. The $5 Indian has several rare dates, including the 1909 and the 1929, each in mint state 60 are $25,000 to $35,000 coins. Last is the $2.50 Indian Quarter Eagle, which ran from 1908 to 1929 and is the one series that can be reasonably completed. Of the 15 different dates in mint marks in mint state 60, 14 are priced in the range of $500 to $600. The one scarce date is the 1911 D. There are 2 versions, a strong D and a weak D, referring to how visible the mint mark is. A strong D in mint state 60 is a $6,000 coin. A weak D is valued at closer to $4,000. The strong D is worth the extra premium. When you go to sell someday, you'll be glad you did. That means a complete set could be achieved for a cost in the low to mid-teens. With a budget of $300 a month, this could be a 4-year project, a very doable undertaking for many collectors. The end result is a complete pre-1933 gold series by date and mint mark. If you're thinking of upgrading, a complete set in mint state 63 would run $30,000 to $35,000. For whatever reason, the in-cuse Indian designs are the most widely counterfeited pre-1933 gold. Only buy pieces certified by PCGS or NGC, and only buy from a reputable source. You can't be too careful. Let me know in the comments below if you were inspired to undertake such a project. As always, if you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share.